Hello everyone, Anna Unboxing here, and it's time to unbox the Goodie Box April 2021. This is a monthly subscription box for makeup. It costs me €20 every month, and you get products worth of €60 and more. But I have checked the website and now I see that subscription costs €25 and you get products worth more than €80. Let's check it out together. This is the box. It came yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. So let's open it. Here we have some pink. I think this is pink color, not peachy, and inside dark plum color. The topic of this goodie box is upside down. Happy golden ticket. Do we have a happy golden ticket? No, not for me. Let's start. This is from Huyen Paris. I hope I pronounced it correctly, but anyway, you see it on the screen now. Hyaluronic acid concentrate. And this is the serum they say that awakens the skin. I think I will just smell it. Okay, so the texture is not very watery, kind of almost jelly. And it smells with cucumber. Kind of a very refreshing smell. I wonder what period of day you should use it, or for the night. This is the full-size product and you should apply it every morning before your day cream. It should make your skin more fresh and they say more young. Let's move to the next product. It's from Able Skincare London. Again, it's an acid, not hyaluronic, maar glycolic. And it says 3-in-1. Molecular Boost Eye Serum. Eye serum is always good. This eye serum is the most expensive product of the box. This is the full size, 15 milliliters, and it costs €85. You should bring it in the morning and or evening just to make your eyes look awake. Just maybe instead of some coffee if you don't drink coffee. And the next one we have nail polisher, something I won't use. I don't use nail polishers. This is in color Peachy Moon, or it's the name of the nail polisher, I don't know. I see the brand is Rosella Lune. And you know what? This color, it's a bright orange, and I know which day you can use it. Of course, it's a King's Day in the Netherlands. Everything will be orange, and for sure I will apply this nail polisher, which makes me actually conclude that this product is the one which is special only for the Netherlands and not for any other country. I am not sure, but actually different from my first conclusion, this one I will use at least once. It says on the package that you can save it for 24 months after the opening. It means 2 years. So I will use it 2 times for 2 King's Days. Let's see, then 12 months. No, actually for 3 King's Days, right? The 3rd King's Day will be the end of 24 months. Yes! This nail polisher 3 times, I think it's a good use. Product number 4 in my opening is this small little box. It is from the Beauty Crop. It's called Wing Woman, and everyone wonders what is that? It's nourished with licorice root and blackberry extract, but still we don't know what it is. It's liquid eyeliner. Am I happy? I am happy. It's something I am missing. I have a lot of eye pencils, but no eyeliner. Let's just open it and see how it looks. The color is black. They say something about blackberry, but I'm quite sure that the color is black. This eyeliner costs €15 and it's made in China, but still, because I don't have any eyeliner, I will use this one. Wow, in this goodie box we have so many products, and actually nice ones, and I'm gonna use so far everything. And we move to the product number 5. and it's this glow highlighter. I love blushes and highlighters in the form of stick, but this one, it's made in China. I already have a highlighter which I'm using, so it's not like the previous product eyeliner which I don't have and I don't need any new highlighter. This one is quite expensive, 24 euro, and I think it will be a nice present for someone. And we move to the last thing in the box. It's a makeup bag from Ray-Bans Saloner. I hope I pronounce it good. This product is made with love and ready to be loved. Well, I love the colors. It's always pink and yellow. Very, very cool combination of colors. And again, inside it's bright pink. Let's see, does it say something else? Yeah, it says that it's just made in China. I guess like all these kind of products. The price of it is not more than less 30 euro. We have a small tiny leaflet. It's from Nextory, and a long story short, you can just log on the website of Nextory. It's the website where you can listen to the ebooks. You can log in through this link and using the code GOODIEBOX, and then you can listen to the books for 45 days for free. And conclusion, I will use a lot of products from this box. I see that they included more expensive products. The value of Chinese products alone is 70 euro, which does not make me happy. It's the nightmare when Goodie Box turns into Chinese box. Back to the assumption that the Goodie Box became more expensive, 25 euro instead of 20 euro. I am not sure I'm very happy about this change if it's only supported by products from China. And again, I am not happy about products from China because I really don't support Chinese politics, and that's my small protest against them. Let's see what awaits for us in the next Goodie Box, and for now I wish you a good day or night.